Leticia Lopez, a mathematics teacher, has carried out an educational experience called Integrative Sex Education and Mathematics, ISEM, with the aim of improving the teaching-learning process and the academic performance of her 50 students in the fourth-year course through the use of technology. She considered the human body's complex behavior, a woman's organism in particular, and an explanation which in most cases is suggested in charts out of whether they corresponded to simple mathematical items could be postulated. Leticia states, the rationale of the experience is to propose a new way to teach functions relating them to subjects that motivate students and that allow them to develop life skills. The charts chosen for this objective are relevant to the way a woman's body behaves during menstrual cycles, a subject which is adequate to be able to discuss the prevention of teenage pregnancy and the use of condoms. Furthermore, the replication of HIV corresponding to an exponential function is very important so that the students may not only learn the functions involved, but also become aware of the use of condoms, which they can obtain from health centers free of charge, or else by investing less than $1 to avoid diseases such as AIDS. The mathematic contents developed corresponds to those suggested by the Core Priority Learning, CPL, from the Argentinian Ministry of Education and the Santa Curricular Design for the fourth year of the cycle. With the use of the word processor and mathematical adding, the students were able to insert a woman's cycle chart versus temperature, hormone concentration, as well as put together valued tables with the data collected, coordinates X, Y, which allowed them to work in a straightforward way with mathematic expressions and analyze data and charts to determine whether they were dealing with functions or not. Charting functions is an almost instantaneous action with the use of different computer applications such as GeoGebra and the Microsoft 3.0 Mathematics and the Graph Viewer to prevent the spread of the disease, together with the local police and health organizations. Flyers, leaflets, and bookmarks were designed by the students using Publisher, Word, and Paint, where the issue of the importance of using condoms was highlighted. Out of all the participants, one student made a leaflet and shared her viewpoints concerning chastity until marriage. The group showed respect to her stance and wondered how many other people would think along the same lines, which would be a desirable objective, which, however, is not the case these days. The result of the experience was positive because the students showed commitment and interest in the activities we engaged in. Noticeable improvement in academic performance, capacity to use ICT, respect one another and towards the subject matter, solidarity, and companionship.